Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some grandma style cottage decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Grandma style cottage decor, often lovingly referred to as grandma millennial style or cottagecore, blends cozy nostalgia with timeless charm. It is inspired by traditional homes, especially those of older generations, but with a fresh modern twist. Think comfort vintage elements, layered textiles, and sentimental touches. Here are some core inspirations and elements of grandma style cottage decor. First, floral patterns and themes. Classic florals are a staple into things upholstery, wallpaper, and wedding. Chintz fabric, shiny cotton with printed flowers are especially iconic. They are florals with gingham or lace for contrast. Use vintage and antique furniture, mismatched wooden chairs, spindle beds, and well-loved side tables. Look for pieces with patina curved lines and hand-carved details. Use slip covers and crocheted or quilted drawers. Use handcrafted textiles like quilts, embroidered pillows, lace towels, and hand-knitted blankets. Also use table runners and cloth napkins, with detailed stitching and warmth. Use books and sentimental decor. Stack vintage books on side tables or shelves. Display framed family photos, heirlooms, or knickknacks with meaning. Collections like teacups, porcelain figurines, or antique clocks gives character. Use layered soft lighting. Use table lamps with plated or fabric shades. Candles, fairy lights, and wall sconces create a cozy ambience. Use nature-inspired touches. Fresh or dried flowers in vases, especially roses, lavender, or hydrangeas. Wicker baskets, botanical prints, and natural materials like linen or wool. Next, color palette. Soft pastels. Dusty rose, rose green, battery yellow, and powder blue. Use warm whites, creams, and muted undertones. Painted furniture with paint or chalk paint finishes adds to the vintage vibe. Cozy lifted feel. Everything should feel inviting, layered, and personal, embracing imperfections. Chipped paint on textiles and handmade details and soul. Optional addition: ruffled or earlet curtains, a cozy reading nook with a floral armchair and knit blanket. Wallpaper with tall or botanical prints, a mix of china in a glass front cabinet. Let's go deeper into grandma style cottage decor, what it is, where it comes from, why it is trending, and how to apply it in your home. Grandma style cottage decor, also known as cottagecore or granny chic, is a nostalgic, comforting, and romantic approach to interior design that blends vintage charm with homey comfort. It celebrates sentimental items and heirlooms, handcrafted or vintage pieces, floral and feminine aesthetics, cozy lived-in atmospheres. This style is not minimalist or slick. It embraces personality, layering, and the story of space. Origins and influences. This style draws inspiration from English countryside cottages, American farmhouses, and Victorian homes, mid 20th century interiors. Its traditional grandma homes, especially those filled with handmade touches, collections, and cozy looks. Influences also come from cottagecore aesthetic, romantic, pastoral, nature focused, chic design, distressed furniture, white pastels, Victorian and Edwardian style, lace, porcelain, tufted furniture. Key elements expanded, pattern mixing, florals plus stripes plus tile, equal harmony. Wallpaper is often used boldly. Think entire rooms, not just accent wall. Textural warmth, layered fabrics. Use velvet cushions, lace towels, ruffled bed scarves, and knitted, crocheted, or quilted items everywhere. Sentimental decor. Display your grandmother's china, photo albums, and recipe cards. Collections of things like milk glass, thimbles, or framed needlepoint. Furniture choices: scattered armchairs, spindle beds, cloth tables, painted oak often distressed, wicker, cane, and rattan. Look for items at antique shops, flower markets, or estate sales. Colors and finishes. Use soft romantic colors like blush pink, she's cream, cornflower blue, and battery yellow. Warm neutrals like cream, ivory, and teak. Patina faded finishes, vintage patterns, nothing too new. Room by room ideas. Living room. Use floral slip covers up crocheted through built-in bookshelves. A tea set on a tall covered coffee table. Table lamps with plated shades and brass bases. Kitchen. Use open shelves with floral tile, teacups, and vintage pictures. Use gingham or embroidered curtains. A table with mismatched chairs, maybe with floral chair cushions. Bathroom. Use cloth tub if possible. Lace trimmed hand towels. Use dried lavender bundles, antique perfume bottles. Why people love it now? Nostalgia. In uncertain times, people crave the comfort of childhood or simpler times. Authenticity. Mass product. Cold modern interiors can feel soulless. Grandma style brings back heart and history. Sustainability. Reusing vintage items or cheap finds is eco-friendly. Individuality. Every piece tells a story, unlike cookie cutter decor trends. Want to find grandma style pieces? Check the stores and estate sales, stay and eBay. Also, antique malls or flower markets, handmade markets, especially for embroidered, knitted, or crocheted items. Brands like Arthropologia, Loria Ashley, Cut Kids or Russell Ashwell's Shabetic. emotional core of grandma style decor. This style is more than just aesthetic. It is about creating a home that feels loved, lived in, and full of stories. Emotional values it embraces nostalgia. It evokes childhood memories or vintage charm, even if you did not grow up with it. Comfort. Everything should feel inviting and cozy, not stiff or showroom-like. Sentimentality. The decor has emotional weight, a teacup collection, a passed-down tablecloth, a shelf of top-end books. It's a quiet rejection of post-fact, hyper-minimalist or ultra-modern living. Design principles in grandma-style cottage decor, layering. Unlike minimalist spaces, this style encourages layering texture, patterns, and objects. Think a floral sofa with a crocheted top, two vintage pillows, and a coil top on the side. Mixing old and new. Grandma style does not mean your space needs to feel dated. Pair vintage or antique items with modern comforts. A vintage rug under a modern cream sofa. A traditional china cabinet holding books and candles. Personal collections. Display what you love, whether it's cross-stitch samplers, glassware, vintage cookbooks, family photos in ornate frames. The key is crafting, not cluttering. Sustainability aspect. This style is eco-friendly by nature, encourages thrifted and vintage purchases, highlights handmade solution design, reduce cost, take her waste. DIY projects you can try. To make it feel even more authentic, consider these hands-on ideas. Decompress floral trays, paint and distress old furniture, embroider pillowcases or linen napkins. Make a floral tray from dried flowers. Create a memory wall with old family photos. Final tips. Start small. A floral pillow, a thrifted side table, or a hand-me-down teacup. Use one planting, soft hearts electric for one bulb and table lamps. Keep things meaningful. If it tells a story, it belongs. Effort trying too much to perfectly imperfections is part of the charm. Cultural and history cultures. This decor style has evolved from previous global traditions, especially English country homes. Think faded florals, deserts, fireplaces, and framed botanical prints. Farmhouses, functional beaches with character, on old patchwork tiles, cast iron skillets. French Provençal cottages use soft colors, ruffled linen, lace curtains, and carved wooden furniture. Victorian parlors. There are jugs, ornate frames, velvet cushions, and plenty of clutter charm. Symbolism in decor choices. Every item in grandma style cottage decor often symbolizes values. like comfort and care, hand-quilted blankets, rocking chairs, and warm lighting. Tradition and memory, family heirlooms, old books, and framed photographs. Simplicity and humility, upcycled furniture, handmade crafts, natural materials. Nature and the season, use floral patterns, botanical prints, fresh or dried flowers. We are not just decorating, we are telling a story about home, heritage, and heart. DIY and handcrafted elements. One of the most rewarding parts of this style is that you can make much of it yourself to enhance it with a personal touch. Some ideas: embroider a pillowcases or tablecloths. Make potpourri from dried flowers or herb. Refinish a chipped side table with chalk paint and wax. Knit or crochet your own thread. Paint your own floral wall art using old wallpaper samples for inspiration. These projects deepen your connection to your space. Emotional and wellness benefits. This decor style is a form of emotional design. Here is what it can bring to your well-being. Calmness, soft colors, natural themes, and their textures create serenity. Joy. Sentimental objects spark happiness and nostalgia. Security. This space feels personal, warm, and comforting, like being held. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.